Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix mo2 error in Shopee. So for this you will have to just open the Shopee app. So here I will teach you how to fix this mo2 error. So you will have to just go back on the home screen. You will have to just close this app and you will have to go back, and now you will have to do, you will open the phone settings and scroll down a little bit, and there is option of app management, and you will have to click to app list, and you will just scroll down to find Shopee app. Once you will be have to find, you will have to click it, and here you will see the storage usage. So you will have to open it and clear cache, not clear data, and your problem will be fixed. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.